Hi, this is Jane for the Huawei P60 Pro, and I'll show you how to link or unlink the assistant from power key button on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll down to the accessibility features, then tap the shortcuts and gestures and tap to call voice, and just to wake it with the power button you should click once on the switcher. And now with the press and hold the power key button we could see that our assistant successfully activated. To turn it off, click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.